Hey guys, it's Bill Maskas with MarineMax and Stuart. I would like to show you this Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR. It's a new design for cruisers, for a day boat, double step hull. Very different design than anything else they do. You have bow thruster and a joystick that can be integrated as well. Tremendous hardtop, a lot of coverage and a lot of seating up there. Let's go up and I'll start showing you the features. Starting from the aft, you have a very nice swim platform with extended wings that get you almost to the back of the motors. Twin 300 joystick V8s, and you would say, oh, 37, 38 foot boat with twin 300s. Sea runs great. I have run the boat and I have no fear with those. If you want it faster, it can be equipped with the 400s or the 425s. Electronic steering throughout, from the helm all the way back. Awesome lounge back here. You have a grill on that side, and over here you have your water connections, water hoses. Nice wing door, nice patio basically that opens up to the side. Underneath here it can be either storage. On this boat is actually storage, but you will see this is it can be an air-conditioned cabin as well. Huge space, and you can almost walk from the front standing up all the way down. Going forward, we have table seating for 6. This is with the open table, and the helm seats, as you can see, all 3 of them can flip over the other side, so you can make a social area when you're not driving the boat. And right underneath here is the handle to have the walking access to the storage or cabin if you choose to make it a cabin. Sitting at the helm, you have almost no obstruction. The windshield is massive and gives you great protection. Twin oversized Simrad 16-inch wide screens. All your basic switching, including your batteries, which are right over here. You have your bow thruster, your binnacle, your joystick are right over here, your keys and phone charger right next to it. Going down to the cabin, we have it configured as a bed right now, but it can also be a little sitting area. You have your fridge, your main power panel is right over here, and then a nice head is hidden behind this door with a shower. It's a wet head, but you do have all the amenities. This is a raised access, and actually your shore power connections are right in here, but you can store fenders and other items right in here conveniently. And then your main access to the bow with side steps when you need to jump to a restaurant or a high dock. And then your classic bow design, L shape with a table. You can lounge over here, you can lounge over here, you can lounge over here, or just have people all around. Separate controls for the stereo, for the bow. And up on top you have your radar, your light bar, the usual variety basically. That concludes our short presentation on the Cruisers VTR. This is Bill Maskas. We're at MarineMax in Stuart, and I would love to help you. Give me a call with any of your questions, 203-808-5088, and thank you so much for watching.